So here's my chicken run that I just built. It's 6 feet tall, 8 feet wide, 10 feet long. It's attached to a pre-existing storage unit. We got our gate here. Come in, we got a little ladder. Cut a hole in the side of the storage unit to go inside the coop. Chickens ought to like that. We don't have any chickens yet, but we got some on the way. Cover the top with the chicken wire, keep the predators out. It's a pretty easy project. Cheaper than buying one of those City Boy chicken coops off of Amazon or something. Come around to the front to go in the other side of the coop. Got our nesting boxes made out of Lowe's 5-gallon pails. A little ladder going up to a little perch. Another ladder going up to the roost. This little storage unit, it's probably about an 8 by 8, something like that. Got a couple of windows in here. We got a perch. I think the chickens will like it. On this chicken wire, I used a Harbor Freight Central pneumatic staple gun. It cost 22 bucks. I put well over probably 2,000 staples through that thing and had no problems. So if you're thinking about a Harbor Freight staple gun, go for it. It'll get the job done. Anyway, that's my little chicken coop for now. Thanks. See ya.